Welcome to MobilBid Learn. Silent auction tutorials. Complete auction setup and management training sessions. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add auction items in bulk to save time. To begin adding items in bulk, click on the Advanced Settings button in the top right corner. Then select Import File. The new item import screen contains instructions on creating a CSV, separated values file to import bulk items into the MobilBid platform. To see a sample, click on Download Sample. When ready to upload, click Choose File. You will then be able to choose the CSV file you have saved to your computer. After selecting your file, click on Create Auction Item Import at the bottom. Your bulk items are now imported. You can edit each item by clicking on the pencil icon beside each listing item. A preferred way to edit items is to bulk edit. To do this, click on the Advanced button at the top right. And then select Bulk Edit. Here, you can edit all the items on one screen. You can update the lot number, auction category, cost, starting bid and the minimum increment of each item. You can also delete items here. To bulk upload item photos, go back to the item screen by clicking Items in the left menu. A preferred way to add photos is to bulk add. To do this, click on the Advanced button at the top right. And then select Photo Edit. You are now in Items Photo Edit mode. You can edit 20 photos at a time. Just drag your images into the photo field or click Browse to select an item from your computer. When done, click on Save Changes. And then click Next Page to continue on the next batch of 20 images. When done, save all your changes. Then, click on the Items link in the left side navigation. To edit the categories, click on Categories in the left side menu. In the Categories screen, you can edit each category by clicking the pencil icon. You can then edit the title and starting lot number. Click Update Auction Category when done. Don't confuse the live auction category with live auction items. Preview the auction by clicking the Preview Auction in the left side menu. On the preview, you will see all your items. All items that have been categorized will appear first. All other items will appear next. Congratulations! You have now learned how to add auction items manually and in bulk. You are now able to add auction items one at a time or in bulk. Thanks for watching. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to set up invoices for your auction.